So you're going to open the Legend. This is how it looks like. You open it, and the first thing that you'll be welcomed with a bunch of text. So all that you need to do is you're going to change this particular text to maybe your channel name or the simple name that I prefer to use. Just a simple name, say Innocent. That makes the effect more beautiful. So here are a couple of things that you can do. Now when you hit on the play button in the middle right now, it is going to give you some sort of effect that you can apply with. Let's see how we do that. So you hit on the play button, and then first of all it gives you this particular transition, so you can test out with the different transitions over here. And then if you don't want the background, you just change it from here. So if you start, this is how it goes. So you can choose different effects, let's say different animation or transitions for your test. Exactly, that's how it looks. So if I select this particular one, let's say I prefer this one, but the one that I want to use is called the mask over here. This is it, and we're going to place an image behind this particular text so that the text will be slicing through the image, right? So let's go back and then hit on the image button over here, and then you can be able to add an image from our gallery. So let me open my gallery, and I'm going to choose this particular cartoon that I did. You know, I love making cartoons, so this particular cartoon that I did, and then I'm going to place it over here. You just crop it, right? You crop it to fit the frame size. This is 1080 by, you can check the frame size from here. This is 1080p, right? So you click OK, and then here it goes. So we're going to use the mask over here, and then it slides through like that. Very simple. And then I'm going to change the color to this one. Of course you can use any color from there, so you use this particular color and then it slides through, just simple like that. So after you're done with everything, all that you need to do is click on the download button over here. It will allow you to save it as a GIF or as a video. So you're going to save it as a video, and then you wait for it to download to your gallery. So after it has downloaded to our gallery, I'm going to export it on my computer, and then we work it out from there. This Legend does not come with the music, so you just export it to your computer, use your video editor, and then we make the video over there. So meet me on my computer. So now I have my phone plugged in. All that I'm going to do is I'm going to my files over here, then I go to my phone, and then I select, it stores to the memory of the phone, right? The internal memory. So this is the video or the intro, the short intro. It's just 6 seconds, very simple, the short intro that we did. So I'm just copying it to my desktop, and then let's go and find it out. So when I open it like this, this is how it will be like. As you can see, it has no music attached to it. So let's see how we can add a music to it. So I use Wondershare Filmora to edit my videos. So this is the timeline of Wondershare Filmora. So what I'm going to do is, I have this intro music samples that I downloaded from YouTube. I'll put the link in the description if you want to download it. So I'm going to bring the project or the video inside my project, and then I'll wait for it. So any video editor that you are using, basically you can just use this to, first of all, this is the particular intro that I use for my videos. Right, so if you want to add the music to it, it's very simple. Just bring this one to the timeline. That is the video that we made. You can hit on the space bar to make a playback of the video, just like this. Now this is the music that I downloaded, so I'm just going to bring it also to the timeline. It comes with different musics, about 10 or 20. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of them, and then I'm going to place it underneath or behind the video. So I'm sampling this one from, I think, the second one. So I'm sampling it from this area. You press Ctrl B to cut it off, and then you can play it. When it reaches where you want to end it, you just copy that one too. So Ctrl B, and then you right click on this particular one and go to audio detach, and then we're going to place it under this one. So the rest of the timeline over here, we don't need it. So you just select all of them and then you delete it. Now you can place your cursor over here and drag the timeline to the right side to expand it. And then you can put your, you can start from the beginning. And when you hit on the space bar or the play button, this is how it goes. Simple. The song is longer than the video, so all that you need to do is make sure you have this over here and then you drag it to the very edge of this one. So you just start again. Nice one. So after you're done with everything, you can add some transitions to it if you want to. Let's say you add a transition over here, but I wouldn't prefer doing that, so let's just go back. Now all that you need to do after you are done with everything, you go to export over here and then you go to export to device. So you click OK, and then you make sure that you are exporting it either in MP4. Let's say you export it in MP4 because that is the one you can put in your YouTube videos. So I've given it a name already over here, so intro video, and then you click on OK. So you wait for the video to export. I'll get back to you when it is done exporting. And very sooner or later, the video is done. So you click on close, and I exported it to my desktop. So this is the first one that we did. We can play it back and look at how it is without any music. And then we can play this one also back and look at how it is with the music. So now your intro is ready,